Hey, James here, and this is going to be part 2 in a 3-part little mini series where I'll show you the actual way and how to create videos and the latest ways you can make money with YouTube with faceless videos. So come on in, let's dive into the computer, and this will be a quick part 2. Alright, now I don't always recommend ClickBank, but it can be a great way to get started. That and of course people always recommend Digistore. But I'm going to show you a quick hack to find the best offers in all of ClickBank. You can go right here to this button, click here, and this is where you can do a search, right? But just click in the box and hit enter. And this is something a lot of people don't know. And this gives the best offers for the entire platform. And so this is Epicure right now, so it's performing the best. Gravity score here means that 804 affiliates are making sales each day with this offer. So a lot of people are probably going to be promoting this, but if you went and you tried for the keyword Epicure, if we just go to what we're going to do is go to the offer and we're going to go to the affiliates page. And for some reason this loads really big on all my pages, but we'll just close this. Obviously, just clicking on that was a lot easier. Number 1 health offer in history, and the good thing about it is a physical product. So when people get physical products, they're less likely to easily get a return. And there's an amazing way that I'll teach in another section where you can take something like this and recreate it. So what you want to look for is upsell flow. Recurring billing is always great, mobile friendly. And so we go to the affiliate zone. So a lot of people are going to be using these email swipes, but they're going to be using them actually in the emails, right? So that would probably get your email address banned. But what we can do, this is free to use if you're the affiliate. So let's just take this, and what we're going to do is copy it. And then we're going to go over to video, and right now there for a Black Friday Cyber Monday early bird special, if you put in the code, you can see it in the link down in the description, use the code early35, you can get 35% off. And I highly recommend in video. And they have save 25, you can see right here, but if you use my code early35 you can get that special. So we want to come in here. This is probably the easiest and I would say the best way to do this. So we're going to be, what was that? Well, we're going to be using a health niche. So we want to try and find one that's going to be good for the health niche. So we're just going to go and pick this one. And I'm just going to pause while it loads. It doesn't really matter. Just look at it and if you like it, use it. But just make sure you do landscape for this one. Use template. Okay, now we've got our script, so I'm going to copy in that and just make a few adjustments. And our headline is going to be Epicure, and it's actually, this works just fine using the script. So what we're going to do is make sure that there's punctuation after each one so it knows it's a sentence. It should know for the line break. But just to keep it all together and make it look better, we're going to do this. Just get rid of these line breaks to your amazing health. And then you can even use a pseudonym here that you go by. So I'm just going to put James. Alright, now we've got punctuation at the end. This should be okay. Then what we're going to do, let's look here. And just find one thing to use as a headline. Now we definitely want to go in and get, they've made it so you can't right click on this page, but that's okay. Introducing Epicure. Okay, so now we're going to click it's already pre-clicked, but you're going to do auto suggest images video. We're not going to pull from a URL or add our own media files in this part. So what we're going to do is click next, and I'll pause while that loads. And while that finished loads, I'm just going to go ahead and go back over here to YouTube. And what we're going to do is type in Epicure. just as a main general keyword for review. Let's see, did it give us a number of sites? Okay, the competition you can see here is very low. Volume's actually pretty high, so this is actually a very good one. So you can get a general idea of the headlines. Be careful. Okay, no matter what they say, they're promoting it. There's nobody here that's saying not to, unless it's the negative self-promotion, which would be very careful. This person is crying. Now, if it's a horrible product, don't use it. I always recommend ordering it. This is obviously fake, but this person's getting a lot of views, 16 views per hour. Now, I'm just going to open the video just as an example and see if this is using the negative type connotation. Okay, I don't know what the hell's wrong with this person, but okay, they're obviously selling it. So you can look at it, whatever. Sometimes they even offer videos you can use, but so this is Max Legendos, 698,000 subscribers. So this is for the, I'm down 3 dress sizes. Okay, whatever. Excuse me. But as you can see, you can look for the keywords right here. If you don't want to get the tool and you want to do this, just look right here. Okay, let's see how many comments they actually have. 140 comment. So even though this person has a lot of subscribers, this video, this 100 out of 100, that's hard to do. So I would just look at this, and this might be one I would want to do personally. Channel tags. See, the channel's not even optimized for it. So what I recommend is getting, and I'm going to go over this in the next part, the next video, so make sure that you click on the watch to the end of this and click to watch the next part when it's uploaded. But as you can see, actually per reviews, reviews, up here weight loss. Okay, and this is obviously it's getting a lot of views. So what we want to do, we have this right here. Introducing Xpure. Here it is. So what I can do, let me just show you real quickly, is we want to go to video, just like introducing. And the good thing about having a premium account is you get story blocks in here, you get all kinds of things. iStock, so I could even put this in here. It's a movie type preview, coming attractions. So I want to trim to fit video scene. Done. So introducing Xpure. Wait, okay, then we want to do before sleep and grab a section of video here. And yeah, I would, any of them I would try to do premium. Now this has a kid in it, we don't want to use that one. So let's just grab this one. A woman going to sleep. The target audience is most likely going to be mostly women. Play it to the trim. Here it is. It's a little cheesy, but we'll leave it for just example purposes. Metabolism. And here you just want to be careful with the before and after type stuff. Unless you have actual proof or you have done it yourself and you're the before and after, it's not a good idea. Okay, trim to fit video scene. Skeptical. So here's one we can actually use an image of a famous person. So within weeks, let's just say, let's put in time. So it doesn't have to be anything related to that exactly. So within weeks, so we just want to pull up something about time, trim to video. So I don't know why it pulled that in, but it doesn't really matter. Aging health. So this is going to be a good one, James. So we're going to want to delete that. We don't need him in there. So on the results tab, what we want to do is probably just slender woman, right? So you don't want it to be overtly sexual, but that's a full body bathing suit, so that's not too bad. And it would show significant results. And so all you have to do is come in here on the affiliate page and you just put in your ClickBank ID. So you can go over to tinyurl, and that's the other one I use that works well, because Bitly sometimes it's not going to push your video out as much. This is paste the bit link in here, make URL, and boom, we copy it, and we can put that right in to our video description. So you'd want to come over to YouTube, go over here to your channel, create the video, and so what we're going to do is just in your notepad, like right here, post your Bitly, your tiny URL link. Now we're going to preview this and see what we got. So hopefully the sound's not too much. So that's actually not too bad. The music's not too bad, but all you'd have to do is come over here and change the music. And you could do a voiceover like this. A half a teaspoon boosts metabolism by 728. You can obviously change that. Does this sound too skeptical? I was too, but then I saw shocking proof for myself. So you could easily hire a voiceover artist, or have someone, a family member, a woman family member, just record it for you. If they don't have to be on video, a lot of times they aren't going to mind recording it for you. So then all I have to do is come over here. Once you like it, download it, and then you have, about a minute video. And there are lots of other ways. You could do this style of video as a voiceover, or see what's actually working. So obviously this is getting click because it's scaring people, right? One of the most powerful things is fear. So on your thumbnails, you want to show intrigue or fear or problem solving. But you can see that this guy's using this theme. So this person is doubling down on it. Max Legendas. So when they've already got 16,000 views. And this person's really doubling down on it. Like, I don't know who this person is, but they've gotten views. They're still getting views per hour. So the Epicure is going to be easy, pretty easy to rank for. So this is confrontational and cautionary fear. So as you can see, they're using this type of video to promote this, and they're doing it every day. So this is one that I might actually use this method in particular.
Hello guys, my name is Jessica, and today I will tell you everything you need to know about Exipure.
So if you're not trying to get monetized, or you don't even care, this definitely works with the robot voice too. So I could come over here as well and have done, I can do this video, then take the script back out, go to back to the storyboard. Let's see, we'll go back to the script and take this, and you see why am I right click on mouse not working. And then what we would do is we would save, it's saved, but we would do this again and do a text to speech. So that's very easy to do. It's 5 minutes
before you make your purchase.
So that's how I recommend, definitely before you make your purchase. If you get vidIQ, then you've got the thumbnail. Don't recommend copying it, but you can definitely use the Exipure in there. So they're using, I don't know what this bit.ly link is, but or this Cutly. So this person is they've got a few accounts, and it's the same comment as on the other video. So they're trying to get comments that way. So this is the how part of this. And in the next video, I'm going to show an actual example of me doing it and the ways I make money with it. So this one's a little bit less in terms, well, no, it's got a bit of Q-score of 100 out of 100, but so it's using these same tags, and it's ranking for all these. So I would come in here. So I'll probably actually, I'll sit down and make this video, and I'll show how to promote this exact product. I'll make a channel that is weight loss centered, and we'll see if we can generate. I'll show myself creating it again, and then we'll see if I can generate some affiliate income from it, because it's getting a lot of views. Even if it's hyped and pumped up, the channel has had enough views, obviously 214 million, that they didn't buy all those views. They didn't buy all these subscribers. So it's definitely worth a chance to start a review type weight loss channel, and that's all you do, because there's plenty of weight loss in here, and this is the number one offer in all of this entire ClickBank place, and this is a high gravity. I mean, you just have to trust me with that. But with the $146 conversion, this is your portion of the initial purchase, and then the recurring billing. So this is definitely what I can guarantee you. This is making probably $300,000 to $400,000 a day, and I mean that, $300,000 to $400,000 a day. And then that is split among the affiliates. And so on the back end, on the upsell flow, they're making some more. They might sell some additional bottles. And this is one I would go through and see what they're doing and try to recreate it. Although I don't really want to get into selling my own dietary supplements. But you could sell something similar, because I guarantee you that they're selling some sort of digital product in here with it. So I don't want this video to be too long. It's already 20-something minutes, I think. So I just want to show the exact way I go about doing this with many different offers, and then I'll actually take you in and create one, and I'll track it and give the actual updates. So James out. Take care. See you in the next video.